everyone, how's it going? Today I'm gonna tell you guys how you can watch football on IPTV. So first thing, if you cannot get access to IPTV, you wanna subscribe to Pure VPN or like anything else like Turbo VPN, whatever VPN works the best for you. Now some of the best IPTV services are Pluto TV, Live Net TV, Redbox TV, and Rapid Streams, also Sports Devil. And some of the best paid ones are Fubo TV, YouTube TV, DAZN, Extreme HD IPTV, and Primo Salto TV. So just if you are on the free version, like if you want a free one, then just see which apps or which type of devices these are compatible. Like Pluto TV is, accessible for Android, iOS, smart TV. So get this one. But let's say you want to do paid. In that case, Fubo TV would be the best option. And this is how to do it. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials like this. And I'll see you guys in the next one.